Namaste to all of you. Present, we are doing the chapter Binomial Theorem. Even in this Binomial Theorem, already in the last two classes, I give an introduction. Now, in this class, a few more concepts I will explain to you. Okay, related to Binomial Theorem. On today's date, you can follow the date also. Topic name is Binomial Theorem. Okay, on the date, so you can follow this date so that you can understand either my video lectures are regularly are you getting or not. Okay, ma. Now in the last class, what I given, just I will revise one time for you, ma. So the basic expansion is x plus y whole power n is equals to binomial theorem, x plus y whole power n, where n is any positive integral index or positive number, x is any positive integral value. Then what is expansion? nc naught into x power n. Already these concepts are given. X highest power you will get gradually x power value reduced by 1, and initial in the beginning term y power 0 you will get. Slowly y power value increased up to greatest value. So here nc naught x power n, next value nc 1 into x power n minus 1 into y plus nc 2 into x power n minus 2 into y square plus so on plus nc r into x power n minus r into y power r plus 1 plus last value nc n into y power n is the value. Okay, this is the binomial theorem for integral, positive integral index. That too here if you observe now, nc naught means what is the term number, this one t1 first term. nc1 means what is the term number, t2 second term. By continuing this process, here ncr is there now. What is this term number, tr plus 1. This tr plus 1 is called as the general term. Even this also already we given. And here the observations, if you observe, power n is there. If the power n is there, the number of terms equal to how many terms will be there? N plus 1 terms will be there. And one more observation, in each term, the powers of x and powers of y, if you add them, you will get the value n, you will get it. So these are the concepts already we given. In addition to this, one more point I given, factorial. N factorial. What is this meaning, mom? N factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into like this, 4 into up to so on n. N factorial means product of the first n natural numbers denoted by like this. And after this one, n factorial is equals to, you may write n into n minus 1 factorial also. Means, for example, 9 factorial they given. 9 factorial means what about that value? 9 into 8 factorial. You can mention like this also. And here one more we given, n factorial or factorial n. This is also one symbol for factorial n. Keep in your mind, n factorial or factorial n. So both are same only. And here 0 factorial value, what I given? 0 factorial is equals to 1. How you will get 0 factorial equal to 1 means? Here in this expression, n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 factorial. Replace n is equals to 1. If I replace n is equal to 1, what I can get? 1 factorial is equals to 1 into 1 minus 1 factorial means 1 factorial means 1 is equals to here 1 minus 1 0 factorial, but not require this one, just keep in our mind 0 factorial is equals to 1 is the value. After this one, NCR formula already we given. What is NCR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, and NC naught is equals to NC n is equals to value 1. This is also already I given. After this one, NC 1 is equals to NC n minus 1 is equals to n. This is also I given. And here NCR one more formula, NCR is equals to NC n minus r. This is also one formula is there already given. Basing on this formula, for example 8C2 value, 8C2 value nothing but 8C6. If you add these two quantities, you will get n value. So all these concepts we given, and here these NC0, NC1, NC2, so on NCN, these are named as the binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficients, that point also already I given, binomial coefficients. So this is the basic data in binomial theorem already I given. Now in this class I will explain a few more examples basing on this binomial expansion, binomial theorem. Basic concepts I will explain, then later we will go to high level. Okay. In the last class, a few bits also, basic level bits also we completed. Now in this class, a few more examples I will explain to you. Listen. So here one example is given. Example, find the number of terms, find the number of terms in the expansion 3a by 4 plus b by 2 whole power 9. This is the simple bit. Simple logic. Here power 9 is there. So automatically number of terms equal to what is the formula? Therefore number of terms is equals to 9 plus 1, which is equals to 10 terms you will get it. That's it. So number of terms already we given formula. If n is a positive integral value, then the number of terms are given by n plus 1 formula. So of course instead of n, 9 is there. So number of terms equal to that one. Next, one more example I will explain to you. Here the example is, find the coefficient of x power minus 7 in the expansion 2x square by 3 minus 5 by 4x power 5 whole power 7. This is the one more important model. Find the coefficient of x power minus 7 in the expansion. What is the expansion they given? Here the expansion is 2x square by 3 minus 5 by 4x power 5 whole power 7. So in this expansion, listen, whenever if they will give coefficient of x power minus 7 or coefficient of x power some value, how you can proceed? First you can take the general term. For this kind of bits, first we have to take general term. What is the general term formula? TR plus 1 is equals to NCR x power n minus r. Okay, here x is there already, so capital X power n minus r, y power r, or a power n minus r, b power r. Like that also you can take it. This is the general term. Now here also the general term tr plus 1 is given by, tell me, instead of n, what is the value here? 7 is there. So here you will get 7cr into, this is the first value, means a or a b, you may take like that also. So here this is the value you will get, 2x square by 3 whole power 7 minus r into capital Y power r. Capital Y means, instead of capital Y, this is the whole value, minus 5 by 4x power 5 whole power r. This is the general term. Now if you simplify, t r plus 1 is equals to 7c r, okay, 2 power 7 minus r, 2 power 7 minus r by 3 power 7 minus r into minus 5 whole power r by denominator value 4 power r into, now we will cross check x power value, x square whole power 7 minus r, means what you will get, x power 14 minus 2r. Got it now? By denominator the x power 5 is there, power r is there, so x power 5r I can get like this. Now if I simplify, which is equals to 7cr 2 by 3 whole power 7 minus r minus 5 by 4 whole power r into, what is the value? X power 14 minus 2r minus 5r. A power m by a power n. What is the formula? What is the formula for a power m by a power n? A power m minus n. Basing on this formula, here I can get 14 minus 2r minus 5r means minus 7r. But here my requirement is coefficient of x power minus 7. Since required is coefficient of x power minus 7, that implies in the general term x power value 14 minus 7r is equals to minus 7. In the general term x power value this one, but our requirement is coefficient of x power minus 7. So equating our required coefficient of x power value and in the general term x power value, you will get like this. Then simplify, 21 is equals to 7r, means r is equals to 3. What they are asking? Coefficient of x power minus 7. So r value we got, this is the value. If you replace r value in general term, therefore coefficient of x power minus 7 is equal to, r value you can replace in the general term, means if I replace r equal to 3 here, what I can get, tell me? 14 minus 21. 14 minus 21 means x power minus 7 only. They are asking only coefficient. Coefficient means till here only we have to take as the coefficient. Okay, ma? So this is only coefficient. Don't mention again x power minus 7. So coefficient of x power minus 7 is given by, replace r is equal to 3 here. You will get 7c3 into 2 by 3 whole power 7 minus 3 means 4 you will get, minus 5 by 4 whole cube is the value. If you want you can simplify, which is equal to, minus a cube means minus you will get 7c3 into 2 power 4 into 5 cube by 3 power 4 into 4 cube is the value. If you want you can simplify. This value you can write 2 square whole cube means 2 power 6 you will get. If you want you can simplify, otherwise leave it like this. So coefficient of x power minus 7 is, this is the value. I hope that this is clear for you. Okay. Once again I will explain to you. They are asking find the coefficient of x power minus 7 in this binomial expansion. So here if you observe, coefficient of x power minus 7 or coefficient of x power 0 or coefficient of x power anything if they will ask. First step is general term you can calculate. What is the formula for general term? The general term is given by TR plus 1 is equals to NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. Now here you can replace n value. N value is equal to 7 we know. Replace that value. By replacing that in the general term you will get x power 1 value you will get it. Of course in this bit I am getting x power 14 minus 7r. But my requirement is coefficient of x power minus 7. So in the general term, what is x power value is equal to my required coefficient x power value. Here I am replacing. With this equating these two values, I can get r value. Therefore, coefficient of x power minus 7 is given by, they are asking only coefficient. So, till here only you have to take it. Till here only you have to take it. Don't mention again this value. Of course, if you replace r equal to 3 here, you will get x power minus 7 this value. But coefficient means till here only we have to take it. Simplify, you will get the answer. I hope that this is clear for you. Okay. Next. So for any bit, if they will ask coefficient of x power some value, this is the standard method. You have to take the general term. In the general term, x power 1 value you will get. Make that x power value is equal to our required coefficient x power value. Then you will get r value. After getting r value, if you replace that r value in the general term, you will get a required coefficient. Okay. Next, after this, here one more example they given. One more example here. Find the term independent of x. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of root of x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square whole power 10. This is the one more example. Find the term independent of x. Find the term independent of x in the expansion root of x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square whole power 10. Listen. So, in this expansion, if you observe, they are asking independent of x. What is this meaning, independent of x? That means indirectly they are asking what is the coefficient of x power 0, means without x. Independent of x. Independent of x means that is not depending upon x. So independent of x means indirectly they are asking what is the coefficient of x power 0, that is they are asking. So regular general method only we have to do. So first what we have to do? General term. Immediately you can find general term. What is the general term? TR plus 1 is equal to, do it mom. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into root of x by 3 whole power 10 minus r into 3 by 2x square whole power r is the value. Now if I simplify 10CR, what is the value mom? Root x means x power 1 by 2. So x power 10 minus r by 2 by root 3 whole power 10 minus r into 3 power r by 2 power r into x power 2 r. Understand mom? Now here which is equal to 10CR into, this is the value, 3 power r by root 3 whole power 10 minus r into 2 power r. These are the constant values into here x power 10 minus r by 2 minus 2r is the value. So here if you simplify, total till here this is the value as it is. What about this value? X power what is the value? 10 minus 5r by 2. But our required term is independent of x. Our required coefficient is, required term is independent of x. Independent of x means, independent of x means, in the general term what you got, x power value 10 minus 5r by 2 is equal to 0. Means what is r value you will get? R is equals to 2. Therefore, term independent of x. Therefore, term independent of x is equal to what you will get? Simple. R value you got it now. Replace this r value in the general term. If you replace r is equal to, you have got it now. R is equal to means what you will get? Here it is. Total x power 0 only you will get now. Replace r is equal to here. If you replace r is equal to 5 into 2, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. X power 0 means 1. So automatically the term is independent of x means only this value. What is that value? 10c2 into 3 square by denominator value 3 power 4. Why I will write 3 power 4 here? 10 minus 2, 8. Root 3 is there. So 8 by 2 means 4 directly given. Into 2 square is the value. Then simplify. You will get 10c2. What is the 10c2 value? 10 into 9 by 2 means 10c2 value 45 you will get. 45 by here 3 square 9 into 2 square 4 which is equals to 45 by here even 5 times. So total you will get the value 5 by 4 is the value. So the term independent of x in this expansion is given by 5 by 4 is the value. So if they will ask coefficient of x power some value or independent term of x means the basic thing is first general term you have to write. After writing the general term, after writing the general term, then in that general term you will get x power some value. That power value you can make equal to our required coefficient. Of course, here independent of x means x power 0. So I am equating to 0. If they will ask find the coefficient of x power 10, then here you have to take 10 like that. If you simplify, you will get r value. Now replace this r value in the general term. What is our requirement is there, then you will get that particular value. Okay. I hope that this is also clear for you. Next example. Now, one more example. Here they given in the next example, find the term independent of x find the term independent of x in the expansion 1 plus 3x whole power n into 1 plus 1 by 3x whole power n. This is the expansion. Find the term independent of x in the expansion 1 plus 3x whole power n into 1 plus 1 by 3x whole power n. Listen all of you. So, if you observe the given expansion, what is the given expansion? 1 plus 3x whole power n into 1 plus 1 by 3x whole power n. This is the given expansion. 1 plus 3x whole power n into 1 plus 1 by 3x whole power n. This is the given expansion. Now here 1 plus 3x whole power n. I will take LCM. Here the LCM 3x. Then here what I can get? 3x plus 1 means 1 plus 3x. 1 plus 3x whole power n. 1 plus 3x whole power n. 1 plus 3x whole power n. What I can get? Of course, denominator value 3x whole power n. Numerator value 1 plus 3x whole power 2n. I can get like this. Got it, mom? Here, this is 1 plus 3x whole power n. This is also 1 plus 3x whole power n. Generally, a power m into a power n. What is the formula for this one? A power m. Formula we know. So, basing on this formula, I can write this value as 1 plus 3x whole power 2n. n plus n I can get 2n. By denominator value 3x whole power n. Means, here 1 by 3x whole power n into, now what is expansion? 1 plus 3x whole power 2n. Binomial x theorem, use it according to binomial theorem. In place of n, of course 2n is there. So what you will get, tell me? 2n c naught into 1 power 2n. In the place of, if you observe 1 plus 3x whole power 2n, this is in the form of a plus b whole power n. In the place of a, 1 is there, b value 3x is there. Then expand this value plus next value 2n c1 into 3x plus 2n c2 into 3x square plus 1 between one more term 2n cn into 3x whole power n plus, by continuing this process last value 2n c2n 3x whole power 2n. Like this you will get the value. But entire this value if you observe 2n c naught plus 2n c1 into 3x plus 2n c2 into 3x square plus 1 like this. In this total expansion, our requirement is term independent of x. Therefore, term independent of x. Term independent of x. My requirement is term independent of x. Term independent of x means, mom, here 3 into 3 power n into x power n is there. So, in each and every term, 1 by 3 power n compulsory it is there. 2n c naught by this value, 2n c1 by this value, like that 1 by 3 power n in each term will be there into. Term independent of x means without x. Without x. For example, if you observe first term, 1 by x power n you will get. So, x is there. Here x by x power n is there. X square by x power n. So, x is there. If you observe particularly in this term, here x power n is there. There in the beginning, denominator x power n is there. So, numerator x power n value, denominator x power n value cancel. So, this is the term. When you multiply with this value, you will get the term independent of x. Okay, mom. So, here term independent of x means 1 by 3 power n. This x power n, denominator x power n cancel. What you will get, mom? 2n cn into 3 power n. This is the value you will get it. Then 3 power n cancel, which is equals to 2n cn. So, this is the term independent of x in the expansion of whole this value 1 plus 3x whole power n into 1 plus 1 by 3x whole power n. I hope that this is clear. These are the terms you will get. In each term you will get x value, x power some value you will get except this term. Why? In the numerator x power n is there. Here denominator x power n is there. So, x power n cancel. Only 2n cn into 3 power n by here 3 power n you will get. So, only you will get 2n cn. So, this is the independent of x. I hope that this is clear for you. Okay. Next example. Now after this one, find the determinant of x. Here one more example they given. Listen, this is also one more example bit. Next example, if the coefficients of x power 11 and x power 12 in the binomial expansion of 2 plus 8x by 3 whole power n are equal, then find n. So this is one more model in the binomial theorem. So here according to data, if the coefficients of x power 11 and x power 12 in the binomial expansion of 2 plus 8x by 3 whole power n are equal, then find n. So one expansion they given. In that expansion what they given, x power 11 coefficient, x power 12 coefficients are equal, then what will be the n value? So listen ma here. Given binomial expansion or simply given expansion. What is the given expansion value? 2 plus 8x by 3 whole power n. Now first you can write general term. What is the general term? TR plus 1 is equals to NCR into 2 power n minus r 8x by 3 whole power r. Got it now? General term I given. So general term means NCR into a power n minus r into b power r. Means what I can get? NCR 2 power n minus r 8 power r by 3 power r into x power r. But according to data, x power 11 coefficient, x power 12 coefficients are equal. So coefficient of x power 11, how I can get more? Simple. Here in TR plus 1, x power r I got. So how I can get x power 11 coefficient? Simple logic. Replace r by 11. So what is x power 11 coefficient here I can get? NC11 into 2 power n minus 11 by 11, 8 power 11 by 3 power 11. This is the coefficient of x power 11. Simple math. This is the general term. In this general term, if I replace r value by 11, I can get x power 11 into some quantity. Since the coefficient means by leaving that x power 11, I have to take whole value as the coefficient. Similarly, what is the coefficient of x power 12? Coefficient of x power 12 is equals to, replace r by 12. Then what you will get? NC12 into 2 power n minus 12 into 8 power 12 by 3 power 12 is the value. But by data they are equal. But by data they are equal. According to data they are equal means that is, here you will get NC11 into 2 power n minus 11 into 8 power 11 by 3 power 11 equal to, what is the value? NC12 into 2 power n minus 12 into 8 power 12 by 3 power 12. Then simplify. Here 3 power 11 is there, 3 power 12 is there. Cancel. Here you will get 3. 8 power 11 is there, 8 power 12 is there. Cancel. Here you will get 8. Then here 2 power n minus 12 is there. Of course you can write 8 value as 2 cube, you may write it this value. That means here you will get NC12, this is NC12 by NC11 This is NC12 value. Bring this NC11 value this side. NC12 by NC11 equal to what I can get the value? 2 power n minus 11 by this whole value. What is this whole value? 2 cube you will get now. So n minus 12 plus 3. N minus 12 plus 3 means what you can get? 2 power n minus 9 I can get it. Then simplify. 2 power, here if you simplify, n minus 11 minus n plus 9 means what is the value? Which is equal to these both get cancelled. Here 2 power minus 2 means 1 by 4 I can get is the value. So total value here 1 by 4 NC12 by NC11. Then you have to simplify this whole value NC12 by NC11. How you can simplify? Listen, if you are able to simplify those values, you will get the value. Now how I can simplify? Use the formula NC12. What is the value NC12? Basic formula is there now. What is the basic formula here? What is the basic formula? NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. With the help of that formula you can simplify. So total here it is. Okay, here 3 is there now. 3 into this value. 3 into this value means by 3 you will get here. 3 into NC11. So 3 into NC11 is equal to this value means here I can get NC12 by NC11 is equals to, bring this 3 value this side, 3 by 4. Here 3 will be there now. 3 power 11, 3 power 12. You cancel here 3 you will get. So 3 into this value. Of course anyway I bring this value this side now. So 3 into NC11, NC2 by this value equals to this value this side. I hope that this step you can understand, calculation you can do. Now simplify NC12. Here I am writing NC12 by NC11 is equals to, what is the value? 3 by 4. Then simplify NCR means n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is NC12 value. Calculation part here I will do. Now this is the value NC12 value by denominator value n factorial by n minus 11 factorial into 11 factorial equal to what is value this side? 3 by 4. If I simplify, this value goes to numerator. That implies n factorial and factorial cancel. N minus 11 factorial into 11 factorial by n minus 12 factorial into 12 factorial is equals to what is value? 3 by 4. Then which implies, listen, this is n minus 11 factorial by n minus 12 factorial. For example, how you can cancel this value? This value, okay, you cancel 11 factorial, 12 will remain, means 11 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into up to so on 11. 1 into 2 into 3 into up to so on. What is value? 12. So 11, 11 cancel, only 12 will remain. What about this value? N minus 11, n minus 12. For example, n is equal to 20 if I take it. For your understanding I am telling. 20 minus 11, what is the value? 9 factorial by. Here, what is this value? 20 minus 12, 8 factorial. Means what is the greatest value? Numerator value or denominator value? Numerator value is the greatest value. So when you cancel this value, you will get, these both get cancelled, n minus 11 you will get. By 12 is equal to 3 by 4. 4 3 times cancel. N minus 11 is equal to 9. Therefore, n is equal to what is the value, 20, like this. Got it, mom? So, here, everything they can do, only student point of view, this calculation. NC12 by NC11. NC12 by NC11. Okay. So, calculation carefully you can do it, mom. You will get the answer, n is equal to 20. So, all these are the terms, bits, mom. We did basing on the general term. I hope that all these things are clear for you. Okay, take first basic level book. Present we are doing basic level only. Just you can try to solve all those bits. Okay. In the next class we will explain a few more examples basing on this binomial theorem. Okay. Then you will be perfect. Okay. Thank you.